Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I've not made a video for several weeks. I've not been well, but I'm on the mend now. So I'm out and just doing a catch up on my front garden. Get a bit of first. As you can see, the hedge needs cutting. I've phoned the guy up. He's coming out to do it, but he doesn't know when. So let's have a walk up here, shall we? Show you from the front. Here we go. You can see it's been about a foot since my last video. But it's looking nice. Only when it's nicely trimmed. Just been out and watered it, which is great. As you can see here, shut the gates out. Give it really good water and cut the grass the other day. Here we have my tree lilies. These are scented, absolutely gorgeous. But that is a sign of lily beetle damage. Next to that we have beautiful geranium there. And then a hollyhock. All the hollyhocks in my garden do suffer with rust, so that is a problem. Come down here. We have the first foxglove digitalis. The bees absolutely love. And then here, this is a daylily. Start to get some flower heads on this. As the name might suggest, flowers one day, then drops its flowers. But they keep coming for about 2 weeks. Hosta. Here we have the lupin here, which is nearly finished flowering actually. This is the last time I came out. This is a beautiful foxglove here. Nice wide trumpet there. Forget-me-nots are just about finished, just about gone over now. I'll be getting to dig them up. Come round here. Have a look at this one. This is like a yellow and a purple, which is great. The native one is on the left, is all purple. The hybrids usually double colours, but you get single reds, whites, that sort of thing. So yeah, as we come round, these alliums that have self-seeded, pretty lovely colours there. These are Japanese anemones. Peonies, we see ants absolutely love this, the sap off these on the heads. Lily beetle down there, and you can just see that little blighter. There he is. And then some more hostas. Sticky buds at the back there. Me pulling out. Sticky bud there. Delphinium at the back there. Come down here. We have another peony there. Hosta. I love this ivy. This is self-seeded. This the birds drop the seeds in their poo-poo. Little water there for them. Come down here. This is called Diane Joyce. This I ran this from seed. This is an oriental poppy I absolutely love. I weeded this about 4 weeks ago. Look at it already. Sticky buds everywhere. I'll get the sharp trowel and get over everything. Another hollyhock, which is going to be absolutely amazing this year, that one. The last of the aquiledias here. Absolutely love these. Look at the flowers on those. And then the last of the forget-me-nots. Sonny! Up, champ! Sonny! Sonny! As ignoring me. So yeah, another foxglove. This peony, first one, first white one. And that is to die for. The scent off that is absolutely stunning. Another lupin there. Then we have, oh, these Dutch irises. These absolutely amazing. Look at those, man. So proud of those. Come on a little bit further. Another lupin there. Native variety. Hollyhock down there. This is called Lucifer, this one. Bright, vivid red flowers. Crocosmia. If you come around here, we have on the corner here penstemon, which flowers beautifully red with a little white centre, little white eye in the middle. Absolutely amazing. Some more lilies here that are scented when they flower. Then we have here, daisy, have a look. Wow. Yep, nice hosta here. Firebuds coming on that. From down here, some more amazing delphiniums here. One's grown from seed a couple of years ago. As we come down here, hi Sonny. Just bought all the pots. Not know if you can see everything from here. Yeah, I'm really pleased with how everything's growing. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.